Hi, this is Craig at Countryside RV, online at csrvsales.com, and we are going to do a quick walk around of a Prime Time Manufacturing Tracer Breeze Model 25 RBS. The 25 RBS is a rear bath, one slide, fiberglass sided unit. It has all aluminum construction. As we can see here, here's your storage area. Underneath, that's their water drain. Come around. And we've got outside shower, black tank flush, power cord connection. There is your dump valves, all in one spot. Spare tire. This unit also has an outside kitchen, mini fridge, gas grill, and some storage outside. Water heater, furnace, and power awning with LED light under the awning and outside speakers. Stepping into the unit, you can see we've got a jackknife sofa, U-dinette. U-dinette will drop down and sleep too. TV is included in this unit. We've got the rear bath, kitchen area with 6 cubic foot gas electric fridge, single bowl sink, 3 burner stove and oven, microwave, storage over here. Come into our bedroom area, hanging storage on either side of the Camper Queen mattress, spot for a TV on the main wall. You can see there is good room to walk around all 3 sides of the bed, and there are also outlets and USB ports available. Coming back out into the main area and back to the bathroom. Large storage area, large shower, bathroom, sink. There's your on-off switch for the gas electric water heater, your tank valves, your water pump, and your main breaker for the electrical system. And then here we have storage and hooks. All right, that was a very quick walkthrough on a Tracer 25 RBS rear bath. It's a 2019 model, and it is available at Countryside RV and Trailer Sales, located in Colfax, Iowa. We're 1 mile north of I-80 exit 159, online at csrvsales.com. Thanks for watching.